This week on Monday Mods, we're installing a cold air induction kit and an axle back from Roush on this 2013 Mustang 3.7 liter. First, we're going to install our Roush cold air induction kit. First step, safety glasses, don't forget them. Second, read the instructions. First, we're going to take off the two spiral clamps, the one on the throttle body and the one on the airbox. Next, we're going to take off the two clips here, this hose, and then this breather tube. Push in, push on this clip, and pull back. Next, plug your mass airflow sensor. And then we're going to take the whole assembly up after we remove that. We're going to take the whole assembly off as one. And eat it. Next, we're going to take the bottom part of the airbox off. There's a 10mm right here. Comes off like that. Next, we're going to transfer the grommet from the factory airbox on here and here to here and here. Also, we have to remove this screw and the grommet. And those will go into the new kit. Like that. Next, we're going to install this into the vehicle. And we're going to tighten that. Using the supplied T20 Torx bit, we're going to take out the mass airflow sensor. This can only be installed one way. So using a 3/32 hex, not supplied, I'm going to tighten down the mass airflow bolts. Next, I'm going to install this rubber grommet, just like that. Aluminum nipple. We're going to shove it in there. Next, if you have an automatic, you're going to use this piece. If you have a manual, you're going to use this piece. Once we have an automatic, going to install this right here. Be very careful because these are plastic threads. It's a 14mm. You should just be able to tighten it by hand. Next, we're going to install this side of the intake tube. Next, we're going to take our worm clamp, slide it over on this side, and work it in to the boot right there. There we go. Just like that. Then we're going to plug in our mass airflow sensor. Next, we're going to bolt up the intake tube to the box by lining up these holes right here to the tube on the back. on our hose from here. Slide this thing on right there. And we're going to take this piece of weather strip and run it across the top of the box so it makes a seal with the hood. And final step, install the air filter. Well, final step is actually going to be tighten down all the worm clamps, but this is with the Borla exhaust. First, we're going to take off the exhaust clamps.
We got that Milwaukee impact.
Alright, and then we're going to take a pry bar, get these exhaust hangers off. Hey Anthony, you come hold this real quick? Yep.
Probably put it all the way on the ground.
What do you guys think? Do you think it's going to sound bad?
All the way on the ground. I think it's going to sound terrible.
Really?
It sounded so good before, I can't imagine like
Let it sound better.
that. Yeah, there's a better version of it. Now it might be louder if that's what she wants, but maybe that's better for her preference. But I think my personal opinion is that it's not going to sound good.
What about you?
I don't know. I mean, we took off a Borla and installed a Roush exhaust. Borla is known for their wonderful exhaust sound. It's definitely loud.
I don't know, it sounds okay.
It sounds like
I want it, but I think it sounds okay.
go again.
This thing's only got 20,000 miles on it.
I'll take it down on the interstate, put her down to the floor, clean that carburetor out pretty good.
Got plenty
Get
of
the
pressing
jet
power.
Get the jets and the carburetor all cleaned out, put it to the floor just a little bit. The Italian tune-up, as they call it.
These are just more.
How are you gonna use that inside of there?
Dude, he has like no fucking